Yeah.
But you can get a loan. Get that on the cam.
See, this is... I don't know what I'm doing. That's why I'm here with the pros. Yo, what is up people? How are you guys doing? Kamusta mga tuhod nyo? I'm here at PK's Bike Shop and guess what? Guess what's going on the screen? That's me. That's my video. Anyway, I'm here to service my bike because I've been using my bike. I've been destroying it. I've been just basically using it without, taking care of it. So, I'm here mainly for the headset because it was creaking so bad and I feel like it's already crying on me. So, yeah, I need to service this and I talked to my buddy Paul over there and I was like, maybe let's give my bike some TLC.
My bike shop is Mark's Bike Shop.
Oh.
These guys good people. And we want more YouTubers, more creators here at PK's Bike Shop. And this is going to be the first of many videos because I love Mark's content. He's totally chill, he's totally cool. And my boy Max.
What's up, Max?
He's really the boss of this. And if Max likes Mark, I like Mark. So
awesome.
Come on back here.
So like what I said, I'm going to try to figure out how to service this, my headset. I know I can figure it out. And since I'm here, since I got all the tools that I got, since I got all the tools that I need, basically.
Mark, I'm gonna go on record. If we don't got it, I'm gonna get it for you. Oh yeah, this is the head tube.
The head tube.
And then the headset is that.
There we go. All right, so we're just gonna clean it up a little bit because I don't want to remove this bearing because I really don't know if I need to remove it or not. But yeah, we're just gonna clean this up and let's wait for a professional to actually tell us what to do. Let's put some grease on.
I hope so. I hope so. Let's see what we got here. My favorite tool. Simple and effective.
Oh yeah.
Mark, is it okay if I put one of these on your bicycle?
You can put two.
Two of them. Okay, we're gonna put two of them.
Because I want one here.
Okay, I like it.
Because this been scratched by my. That looks
there you
good.
go. The sponsorship is now live.
Awesome. Okay, so my headset is clean, nice and clean. Got new grease on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put my fork now and let's see if it fixed the problem. Okay, so the headset is done. I hope that headset will stop creaking dahil talagang nabubwisit na ako sa lagatok na tunog na yan. Anyway, this is probably the best thing that happened to me, a bike stand. It's so easy to work on your bike with a bike stand because everything is very accessible. It's like I don't need to flip my bike upside down anymore and good stuff. So next up is my drivetrain. Check this out. Look at this. That is not acceptable. And look at the rust on my chain. That's not acceptable. And yeah, I need to clean my cogs too. So yeah, that's what we need to do now.
Yo, Mark, man, what's the problem over here?
Man, this thing is just not shifting good. I think I need a cable.
Well, it just so happens I happen to have one right here. So how convenient is that? So we got to figure out how to do this.
Okay.
I think between you and I think we can do this.
I think we can figure it out.
Can we pull this off?
Let's go. Let's do it.
Do it.
Down.
Come on.
Wow. Better. Thank you.
I like that we learned together today. Learning with a cool bro like yourself is so much more fun than doing it Han Solo style. So, more to come.
I appreciate your help, man.
Yeah, well, Mark, it's super fun having you here. I've watched your videos before, and I have a channel. It's called PK's Bike Shop. If you don't mind me giving a little plug in.
Please, guys, subscribe. It's gonna be right here, I think. You think it's right here?
I think that corner is perfect. That,
Right
in fact, I was
here.
thinking about that corner of how nice that would look there, that link.
Yes, sir. Please give this guy support. Tropa natin to. Supportahan natin.
And Mark, I'm going to give you a key. You live right down the street. You're
Yep.
totally trustworthy. You helped my son out. And I'm going to give you a key. We're going to team up. We're going to have a lot more fun. This is going to be our own little biking creator studio. We're going to get you ready for your big race coming up, man.
I know. I need to be. Actually, yeah, guys. I'm gonna be joining the race on September. So if I'm not uploading on my other vlogging channel, that means I'm in the woods riding my bike.
I don't look it, but I used to be a decent cyclist. I ate too many Twinkies over the last few years.
Hey, you know, Twinkies is always good. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Keep pedaling, ride safe, and I'll see us on the next video.
All right, see you guys.
You gotta do the camera thing. You have to like,
Peace.
then you
Like
tap,
that?
then you cover.
Oh, and then I gotta go.